It's, yeah.
We have a water.
This is a cat being vacuumed. Kitty!
You know why we bought it?
She just loves the kitty.
And she is the wolf spiel, and I was about ready to say, that's very nice, but forget it. Please just take it.
I love the concept of that. But
It's
to get it to work. It works very well on cats.
Oh, that's so cute.
Probably its most useful purpose right there is for vacuuming cats.
oh, wow, that's
You know, I mean, it was on sale.
yeah.
And it worked for about 3 months, and it was lovely. It did what it was supposed to. And then
Kitty cat
the floor tool broke.
And you couldn't get another one?
The cost to replace it was equal to the cost of the vacuum.
She would probably actually like it.
And I said,
full force.
okay, this doesn't work. We need to look at something that